First of all, since I've been involved in as a physician since 1986, I've relied on three major principles: common sense, backed up by good science, evidence-based medicine, and then the third thing is cooperation with nature. And I believe with those three principles that in everything that I've done over the years, whether it's on the radio, in my books, or in my practice, helping over 15,000 patients, I've used those principles because I believe they're rock solid. And if we look at common sense and we look around the world at the healthiest populations, and we see that people like in the blue zones, these 5 regions in the world, healthy people who live without chronic disease at epidemic levels, less than 2% of the population have chronic disease, and they live to be in their 90s and 100s and beyond, being able to be active, gardening and swimming and biking and hiking and working out in the fields. This is the kind of life that I want to have, and I think most people would love to have it as well. So that common sense tells us we should follow what these people are doing, and a lot of people are starting to do that. And then the next thing is science, evidence-based. Everything that I do is based on research and have been doing that for, like I said, over 30 years, because we need to have solid evidence of something that's shown in research studies that works. You know, it's nice to have grandma's remedies, and some of them work and some of them don't. But if grandma's remedies are based on science, then we can rely on them. But then the last thing is cooperation with nature. And I think that's a really key element, is making sure that we always work within respecting nature. Nature has the answer to our problems. Our body's already programmed to heal itself, as I said earlier. And if we cooperate with nature and eat the foods that God has provided for us, the natural foods, it'll nourish our bodies and heal our bodies. So the bottom line is the 7 causes of illnesses are things that we have control over. And so in this course, you're going to learn how you can overcome these things and be able to move ahead and be able to assist your body in its effort to heal itself. We have resources here at the Other Side of Medicine to help you do that. So when you get this information, it's important that you take action to move ahead and try to do something about it, because there's a mounting body of research showing that the 7 causes of illnesses, that they are definitely causing much of the illness that we have. Not all the illness, but much of the illness we have today. And chronic disease is associated with these 7 causes of illness. But here's the good news. You can quickly reverse the signs and symptoms of these illnesses that I've talked about, whether it's blood pressure problems or digestive disturbances or skin disorders or autoimmune disease. You can begin to quickly reverse them by taking charge of your health and correcting the distorted diet and lifestyle that most Americans have. There's a distortion in our diet and lifestyle. And by correcting that, your body can heal itself. And that's what we want for you, the body, to unleash that healing power of the body to heal itself. So my friends, I hope that you enjoy the course, and I would love to be able to continue to help and encourage you to take charge of your health, learn what you can about how to assist your body in its ability to heal itself. Well, until next time, I'm Dr. Krystosik. Ciao for now.